In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Shopify to Etsy, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have the tools you need to connect your Shopify store to Etsy using a reliable app, so your products, inventory, and orders can stay aligned with far less manual work. First, head to your Shopify admin. If you're not already signed in, log in and you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look to the left sidebar and click Apps. This page shows everything you've already installed, but we're going to add a new integration. On the apps page, click Shopify App Store. It may open in a new tab, and depending on your session, you might be asked to confirm your Shopify account before proceeding. Once you're in the App Store, use the search bar and type Etsy. You'll see several results, but the one we want is called Etsy Integration DPL. Select that listing to open the app's detail page. Take a moment to skim the description and features so you know what it does. Listing sync, inventory updates, and order import are the key highlights. This ensures your catalog stays consistent across both platforms and helps avoid overselling. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will show a permission screen so you can review what the app can access, like products, inventory, and orders. These permissions are necessary for syncing, so read them over and then confirm to continue. The installation takes just a moment. After it completes, you'll be directed back to Shopify and the app will be available in your apps list. If it doesn't open automatically, simply click to open it from there. Inside the app, click Start Your Trial. This activates the onboarding flow so you can begin setting things up without immediate billing. From here, follow the prompts the app provides to complete the connection and configure sync preferences. A quick tip before you proceed: make sure your product titles, SKUs, and variants in Shopify are clean and consistent. Clear SKUs make mapping faster and reduce errors during sync. If you sell items with options like size or color, verify those options are structured the same way you want them to appear on Etsy. It's also smart to review your shipping settings and pricing rules within the app so your Etsy listings match your business policies. To keep things tidy, start by syncing just a few products first, confirm everything looks right on Etsy, and then roll out the rest. That's it, Shopify to Etsy, connected in minutes. If you ever need to revisit settings, you can return to the app from your Shopify apps page and fine-tune as your catalog grows.